the mental peace and calm that this place provides is unmatched. We don't think we'll hit the goal. They also say that you can spot coyotes here. Wondering what fruit this is. Did we just spot a coyote?
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Our plan for today is to track 20k steps, and we are going to start it with a trail nearby that we have found. We are going to track our kilometers on the Nike app and then use the health app for tracking our steps. We're going to show you at the end if we manage to make those 20k steps. My OOTD for the day is leggings from Old Navy as well as the top. I love this leggings because it has pockets so I can carry my phone as well, and this top because it has this cutout which is airy, and this hat from H&M, this bag from Amazon. I can carry all of the essentials here. This is where the trail starts. The name of the trail is Eco Valley Trail, and we have covered around 1 kilometer from our place, and it was roughly around 1200 steps. Not sure if we'll be able to hit the 20k steps goal that we have set, but let's see how much we can make it. And they also say that you can spot coyotes here, so we'll see if we spot any. This trail is besides the river, so you walk alongside the river. That's what we saw on the maps as well, and I'm very excited to see that scenario. That scene will be very amazing. And also it rained today early in the morning, so it is very pleasant. It's not so hot or humid, but also very calm and pleasing. And let me show you all the view. This is the amazing view that I'm seeing. This is the trail, and then there's nature all around, all greenery. It feels so serene and nice, and I can hear the birds chirping. We saw a little glimpse of the river water flowing, so we're going to show you all that, and then we'll walk again. A small haul. What we're carrying for the trail is we're carrying a bottle of water, and in this bag I have granola bars, so when I feel hungry I have that extra boost of energy, and sunglasses because if it gets sunny, it's not sunny right now, but if it gets sunny then I have something to protect my eyes. And also I'm carrying a Presto card. I hope that I don't have to use it, but if I do, then I have it handy. Also, while doing some research around this trail, we saw that on every 200 meters there is a bench to sit and relax. So that is a good thing. So when you're tired, you at least have somewhere to sit. And this place is amazing. I mean, oh, there's a fish, a small fish over there. There's literally no one here. We saw a few people go for their morning runs, but there's no people around. Just the birds chirping and water flowing. It's really serene. Also, see, there are ducks. There are these cute ducks enjoying their morning. This is a slice of nature. in the bustling city. You don't get to experience this very often, but it's I don't know how to describe this, but the mental peace and calm that this place provides is unmatched. I mean, I am really loving this trail. Of course it is exhausting. We haven't really hit 10k until now. We have been walking for quite some time, but I really want to do this trail again in the fall, so we'll see if we can make it, but I don't know, my wish list for now. We are passing by a baseball field here. There are so many huge trees behind the baseball field, but this is the view. It looks so amazing. Okay, our original idea looking at the map was that we'll get out of this trail and go to the main road, and then from there we'll go home. But I don't think reaching 20k steps is that easy. We have just made 5k steps right now, so we have 15 more to go. So let's continue our trail and not get out and go home. We have still a lot to do. Saw this graffiti and I think that it needs to have a place on the vlog. It says, "A good teacher explains while a great teacher inspires." Such an amazing quote. We did not spot any coyotes, but there are general guidelines of what to do and what not to do when you spot a coyote, and also about not to feed anything. They look like a combination of wolf and a dog, and they look scary. Wondering what fruit this is. It's all over the place. Looks like green apples. I don't know. Do y'all know what this is? They're there on the tree as well. Some kind of fruit, but no idea. After walking for about an hour and more, we have hit our 10k goal at least, and now we are so tired. Our legs are like, we are deciding now whether to take this way and catch a bus or go the same way that we have come, because we are very far from home, but we still need to hit the 10k goal. We are playing with the mind and our body right now, whether to take the bus or go back and hit our goal. So let's see what we do. I'm tired. So now it's time to take a break, because we have been walking for quite a while and we haven't sat for some time. So we spot a bench. We're going to sit there and have a granola bar for that extra boost of energy, because guess what, we thought we have come so far, so why not just hit the goal that we have set. So that's what we are doing. We are going back, but not taking the bus route, but rather walking back home. Hopefully we should be able to hit the goal that we have set for the day. We have this granola bar here. So one for me, one for Samson. We're going to have this. Did we just spot a coyote? It just walked past. The camera was not on, but it gave me chills. I'm scared, and I've seen coyote for the first time in my life. It was for a brief moment, but I got scared. I'm tired, and we still have 400 more steps to hit 15,000 steps. So a long way to go. We hit 15k steps, and I'm going to celebrate this 15k with a Chakrasana. Can you all hear the birds chirping? Like, it just needs a moment of silence. Perfect. And we have reached the end of the trail from where we started. Definitely we haven't hit 20k, but we don't think we'll hit the goal, so we are taking a longer route to reach home so that we can hit our goal. We are almost there. It's 17k and now 3 more to go, so hopefully this route will help us reach our goal. Let's do this. So we are not home yet, but look, we did it. We have hit 20k steps that we wanted to, and achievement for today is unlocked. We are going to celebrate with a nice glass of lemonade. We have walked almost 15 kilometers, 14.9 kilometers, and those are the steps right there. This is entire data on the health app, but oh my god, I feel so happy, a sense of accomplishment. I hope that you have got some motivation from this video to try hitting, if not 20, but at least 10k steps. Keep walking, stay healthy. Bye.